Hello everyone. Now it's maths time, and in maths we are doing the chapter place value. And in the last period we had learned about the place value of each digit in a number. We had seen 4-digit numbers and its place value. And of course we can build a number also from the place value. Now we will see comparing numbers. Here we have to remember the signs for this. Whenever we are comparing the numbers, either two or more than two numbers, if we are comparing, we have to put a sign between numbers. So these are the signs that we have to remember for that. This one is greater side, greater number. The open sided, that is called greater than. This is the smaller side, smaller number, so it is called smaller than or less than. And all of you know this is equal to, means both the numbers are same. For that we are using equal to. So now these term we will see in the numbers. How can we compare the numbers and how can we put this sign, that we will see in the numbers. One example is here, different number of digits. The National Library of India at Kolkata has 280 atlases and 3,600 rare texts. Are there more atlases or texts in the library? कोलकाता की लाइब्रेरी में 280 एटलासिस है और 3,600 रेयर टेक्स्ट है. तो क्या एटलासिस टेक्स्ट से ज़्यादा है? So what will we do? First of all, we will write two numbers like this. The number which more digit is always greater number. ये तो हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है कि जो ज़्यादा डिजिट वाला नंबर हो वो ही नंबर बड़ा होता है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर देखो कि 3,600 4 digit number and here it is 280 3 digit number. So obviously 4 digit number is bigger number, and whenever we are writing the bigger number at that side we are keeping the side open for this signs. So from this we can say 3,600 is bigger than 280. So for this example we have to write the answer, and we can write the answer like this: there are more red texts than atlases in the National Library. These even you can see the number writing like this at the different places of the numbers. You can write the numbers and afterward you can see these are the 4 digit number, that is why it is bigger number. Now we will see some number of digits. Same number of digits. Compare the thousands place first. जब भी हम कोई भी नंबर कंपेयर करते हैं तो अगर दोनों नंबर सेम डिजिट के हैं, मतलब कि दोनों 4 डिजिट के ही नंबर है, तो हम कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? तो उसमें हमें सबसे पहले 1000 से स्टार्ट करना है कंपेयर करने के लिए. Here one example is there. The highest cricket ground in the world is in Chel, Himachal Pradesh, at a height of 2,444 meters. Another cricket ground is being planned at Lahul Spiti, also in Himachal Pradesh, at a height of 3,120 meters. On completion, which among them will be higher cricket ground? So we have to see the height of both the ground. We will write both the number like this: 3,120 and 2,444. And if we are comparing these two numbers, first of all we will see at the thousands place 3 is there and here 2 is there. So if we can consider it as a one number only, आपको ये दो नंबर में से तो पता चलेगा कि 3 बड़ा है कि 2 बड़ा है. Obviously 3 is bigger. So like this, if we see like at the place value and if we see the only one number, then you can recognize it easily. So here you can say 3 is greater than 2. So the number 3120, that is bigger than 2444. This is the shortcut. Use the shortcut. Think 3 is greater than 2. So 3120 is bigger than 244, as I told you earlier. So for that we will write the answer. The cricket ground at Lahore Spiti will be higher than the cricket ground at Chain. We can write the answer like this. Now, if the thousands are same, compare the hundreds. और अब दूसरा एग्जाम्पल हम देखेंगे कि जिसमें थाउजेंड्स के दोनों नंबर सेम रहेंगे तो हम कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे. सो इफ द थाउजेंड्स आर सेम वी विल कंपेयर हंड्रेड्स. ये 4 डिजिट के दोनों नंबर है तो उसमें 1000 प्लेस पे सेम नंबर है 7124 एंड 7639. दोनों नंबर में 1000 प्लेस पे सेम नंबर है तो उसके लिए अब हम देखेंगे हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. सो हियर एट द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वी विल सी 1 and 6. So now you can tell that which number is bigger. These are very small numbers, so you can tell that 6 is bigger than 1. So that is why the bigger number is 7639, or you can say 7124 is smaller number. Okay. Now I hope all of you understood that from the thousands and hundreds we can compare the number. First of all we will see the thousands and then if thousands are same we will compare hundreds. Now we will go to the next page. Now we will see if thousands and hundreds both are same, then what will we do? Compare the tens when the thousands and hundreds are same. अगर thousands और hundreds दोनों में same number है तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? तो उसके लिए हमें compare करना है tens के number को. Here two numbers are given 3784 and 3762. So now as we are seeing that at the thousands place and at the hundreds place both the numbers are same, so we will compare tens place, that is 8 and 6. So from these two number 8 and 6 you can say easily that 8 is bigger number. So like this you can say that the 3784, that is bigger number, and 3762, that is smaller number. Understood? And now we will see if thousands, hundreds and tens are same only, then what will we do? So if they are same, thousands, hundreds and tens are same, then we will compare ones. Okay. So compare the ones when all the other digits are same. Okay. So here you can see 5283, 5287. So 5 same at thousands place, 2 are same at hundreds place, 8 are same at tens place also. So now we will see ones place, that is 3 and 7. So you have to just compare between only these two numbers 3 and 7, and that you can say easily that 7 is bigger. So from these two numbers 5287 is a bigger number. Okay, I hope all of you understood this, and now we will see biggest and smallest number. Three numbers are written: 3569, 3486, 2879. Okay, now we have to find the biggest number. Then how will we do? First of all, we will see at the thousands place. So 3, 3 and 2. Three numbers are there. So if we are finding biggest number, so 2 that we will not see for the comparison, because we have to find the biggest number. So 2000 is the smallest number in the thousands place. So remove 2879 from the list. मतलब कि ये नंबर को हमें इग्नोर करना है और बाकी के जो दो नंबर है उसको हमें कंपेयर करना है. So now we will see 3569 and 3486. So for this, what will we see? At the thousands place 3 are same. So we will see at the hundreds place. So here it is 500 and 400. So we can say 500 is bigger. That is why the first number will be 3569 is the biggest number. मतलब कि ये तीनों नंबर में सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 3569. ओके, हमें सबसे पहले 1000 में कंपेयर करना है और फिर उसमें अगर सेम होता है तो भी हमें हंड्रेड्स में कंपेयर करना है. सो इफ वी फाइंड द नंबर इन द हंड्रेड्स, then we can say easily which one is bigger number. So to find the biggest number, begin by removing the smallest and then comparing the remaining. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि thousands place पे 3, 3 and 2 है, तो हमें तो biggest number चाहिए. तो ये जो है 2 smaller number है, तो उसको हमें हटा देना है, उसको स्ट्राइक आउट करना है. तो हमें सिर्फ कंपैरिजन ये दो नंबर में ही रहेगी. एंड द सेम वे वी हैव टू सी द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. नाउ टू फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, बिगिन बाय रिमूविंग द बिगेस्ट एंड देन कंपेयरिंग द रिमेनिंग. जैसे कि यहाँ बिगर नंबर के लिए हमने ये स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर रिमूव कर दिया था, उसी तरह यहाँ पर हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ढूंढना है, तो हम बिगेस्ट नंबर जो है उसको रिमूव कर देंगे. यहाँ पर तीन नंबर है 1690, 1579 and 1559. So we have to find the smallest number. That is why thousands are all the same. 6 is biggest digit in the hundreds place. So remove 1690 from list. ये तो 1000 में तीनों नंबर सेम है. 100 प्लेस में दो जगह पर 5 है और एक जगह पर 6 है, तो 6 is bigger. So we have to remove that number and then we have to compare only these two numbers. So we can find it easily smallest number. Okay. So now we will see at the tens place 7 and 5. So here it is shown that 7 and 5. In that 7 is also bigger number. So we will see that 5 is less than 7. So whatever the number that is 1559, that is our smallest number. Okay, understood? So I hope all of you understood this biggest and smallest number from the 4-digit numbers. And of course we will revise this topic in online class also, and the exercise that is given, exercise 1C, that we will do in the online class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.